Alright fam, it's 5 a.m. in the morning. My brother over here, we're at 24 Fitness. Oh.
Hey, record me.
Yo, where's the name? Oh, look at that beautiful right there. Look at that beautiful, I think it's a Hellcat. I don't see the demon, so wide body. Beautiful fucking car. I know it might look sexy, right? We're at 24 Fitness. So I get off work around 3 a.m. and I told my brother, even if I go home and try to go to sleep, I won't wake up on time. So what I did was not go to sleep and fucking, yep, fuck it. So let's get our workout on because we gotta get back to it. We gotta get back to the grind. Saw my last video and I was like, Jesus, like how much did I gain? That was like 18 pounds over quarantine. Let's get back to it. All right, fam. So we set an appointment at 6:30. We came before almost 5:30ish, thinking that we can come earlier, but problem is 24 Fitness have this thing where
every hour they have to like rinse everything with like hand sanitizer.
Yeah,
and
so
it takes like an hour.
Right. So they open up at 5 to 6, then from 6 to 6:30 they close. I thought we could come in between to get like an hour and a half, 2-hour workout, but they actually close each hour to clean. So for half an hour it's gonna be close. So what we're gonna do right now is go for a jog, 30 minutes, and then come back and train. Okay, go one more forward. Keep going, keep going. Alright guys, our workout is definitely done. My boy right here, my brother, done. 1 hour, fully on to exercise at a time, so we can finish faster and work more. So there you go, fam. Alright, fam, we just finished the workout. Look at those arms, dude. Fucking look at this, man. This guy's fucking natural, dude. This guy's like 14 fucking years, man. I worked my ass out for like what, 6 years, and this guy's like fucking natural. Look at that fucking genetics, man. Like this is like 6. I mean, in between, I probably like after 1 year probably I rested. You know, in between, probably like the first year I went hardcore, then I stopped, then I continued, stopped, and then I continued for like 2 years straight. You know, where I went down a lot on body fat, got ripped. But this guy, like, natural, his genetics. Look at this, man. Jesus, look at his arm, man. Damn. Alright, fam. So now we're done with the gym. We're gonna hit McDonald's. 3 Big Macs for you and for me, right, bro?
No, for me. Shoot.
Hell no, guys. That's really healthy. Stay healthy.
Dang.
So big shout out to 24 Fitness. So always a pleasure coming in, training. I do have I used to train Planet Fitness just because I could always bring my buddy. So now I can also bring a buddy here to 24 Fitness. So that's a good thing about it. So yeah. Alright, fam. Now let's get down to the video. Guys, what you guys just saw right now was actually in between COVID, you know, when they open and then close back out again. So right now it's already past COVID, you know, present. You guys been asking about my little brother. He's still alive. He's good. He's over here.
What?
Just had my son, so I've been pretty much on leave, and then I don't have much time. Now I'm back to work. He's over here, and we're actually here at Planet Fitness. Reason why is because 24 Fitness actually is not doing 24 hours right now. So back where we started actually, and I know a lot of you guys are probably gonna judge, comment, or hate, but honestly, gym is gym. If you know how to train, you can train from your house. Cement weights, rocks, dead ass. So
sand weights, running.
Sand weights, yeah, anything. So let's get down to business.
Yeah.
Who F comes to the gym with GCs, guys. Look at this motherfucker. Look. This happens when you don't teach your kids the value of hard work. I'm just playing around. I love you, dude. Alright, guys, so there's something about this gym that, I don't know, coming back after almost a year. Me and my homie feels pumped right here.
Yeah.
We're gonna fucking get it. Let's get it. So this is the next generation. Right here, dude. I'm done running. I don't think I have energy. No, I do, but just to work out right now. What are you guys doing? So even though he was already super tired, he still continues. That's crazy. I'm done running. I said 20 minutes and I was done. But look at this guy. He also lifted 3.0, 6.0 speed. That's good. After 6-7 months of coming back, that's good. So we gotta encourage our generation now. Full fitness, you know what I'm saying? That's what it's all about. You know, people out there looking at the car, checking the YouTube channel. Some people over here too. You guys can see outside there. They literally park outside the car, checking the car out. Every little detail. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Come on, 3 more, come on. Come on, 2 more, 2 more. You got 2 more, you got 2 more, you got 2 more. Don't give up, don't give up.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star. Shooting stars. Didn't even get to bronze.
How you doing, bro? You doing okay?
Horrible.
Alright guys, so we've been doing 2 exercises per muscle, and now we're gonna do sit-ups because we gotta work on sit-ups.
This is what happens when you become a dad and you gain the dad pounds. And for me, it's a whole different thing. For me, it's a pizza.
I was just shaking.
I guess you could say he's loose.
And now we're gonna do sit-ups. As you see him, we're hanging in there. Usually when people work out, we start rough running. We should really start doing sit-ups, I think, because now we're tired. We pumped, we're good.
Yeah.
He finally felt that pump on his bicep, so that's good news. His back is getting wider. Not even 14 years. What we're trying to do, or what I'm trying to do to my little brother, is actually to get him to feel that endorphins. People that train know what I'm talking about. Once he reaches that level, it's gonna be like me, in pain, but he still wants more, you know? Let's get it. What I'm gonna do right now is he has a 2.5 pounds on each hand, and I'm gonna help him with his feet. I won't step on the shoes, I have to use my hands, and then he's gonna start doing sit-ups. So, you ready? You ready? 2:30 a.m. guys, 2:30 a.m. Let's do this.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I'll be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star.
There you go.
We'll be taking before and after photos. Actually, I'm gonna take a photo today after the gym. Shirtless, hopefully maybe in boxers. You guys can see the results after 30 days of working out my style and my way, and move on from there. Hopefully next video I can show you guys how to work out. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, guys. Remember, it's not just about the car. So stay sexy.